Hey you, my name is Kwanda and welcome back to TG Customs. As you can tell by the title of today's video, it's going to be a quick one and it's very much just me quickly making a shirt that I can wear to Thanksgiving dinner tonight. Yes, today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Hope you guys had a wonderful time with your family and our friends and our coworkers, whoever you celebrated Thanksgiving with. Hope you guys had some good food to eat. Hope we didn't overdo it. I'm not going to overdo it because personally, I don't really care for Thanksgiving food. But the problem is our family don't cook Thanksgiving food on Thanksgiving. We make Jamaican food. So the goal is to, get the basics. And that is what this shirt is that I'm making. Basically, this is a shirt that I'm making. This is what it says because that's all I really want to eat today. And if I can stick to only eating that, we had a good dinner, but we will see what happens. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Only if you like what you see. I'm not forcing you to subscribe for no reason. If you happen to like what you see, you are welcome to go ahead and subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys. Once again, this shirt is this shirt. Once again, this video is not a specific tutorial. You are just here to make a shirt with me, okay? I gotta do some other things in this video probably. I gotta fix my nail. These two nails, they gotta get fixed before we even start this video, for real. Yep, gotta fix that. And my office is a total mess. We're gonna have to clean that up as well. Either while we're making the shirt, I'm only making one, or after we make the shirt. Either way, I'm going to keep this video as short and sweet as we can so you guys can get back to your daily activity. I'm just happy to be here once again. This is the second time for the month. Proud of myself. Round of applause. All right, guys, let's jump right into the video for real. Fun fact, before we really get started, I don't know what color shirt I want to do, nor do I know which color print that I want to do. So let's go ahead and figure that out first. And the electricity just went out again. Give me one moment. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So apparently the breaker chipped for the loft area, which technically I'm in the loft area of our home. There's a wall behind me and a door right here. But this was not originally here when we moved in. My husband actually had this built into our home because the loft was so big. I needed an office, so we just split it in half. So half is my office and half is the actual loft. So all the electricalness that was with the home chipped out when I turned on my heat press. So if you can tell, right here, you probably didn't tell, but right here, my heat press used to be right here in the last video. And I went ahead and I moved it around. So instead of it being over there, I went and moved it over here under the TV so I can watch TV while I'm heat pressing. And now it's plugged in on this wall, which is the original wall. This is the added wall. And whenever I turn this heat press on, the breaker chips. I don't know if it's because it's too much power, but I'm hoping that is not the problem because I can't put it back over here. I need it over here. So we're gonna have to figure something else out, AKA don't play with me. And I'm over here struggling because I had lights originally by the TV and I took it down to move everything around and it keeps sticking to my foot. So let me get this cleared out really quickly. All right, that is out the way. 10 out of 10. Do not recommend. This, man, it went out again. Ah! Okay, time to do some damage control. I guess I won't be making this shirt today, but It chipped again. I guess I can't use this wall.
Yeah.
But I can't put it back over there.
Then you gotta get a search for TikTok or something.
I gotta figure this out, guys. I'll be back. I'll be back. I think we found the solution. I'm going to borrow this from my work area to plug in this machine, and it better not mess up again. And the people looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm talking to at least 10 people, right? At least 10 of y'all. If you are here right now, like the video, leave a comment. Thank you. Don't make me look bad. Don't embarrass me. All right. Power on one more time. Finish cleaning up, and then we'll get to the shirt. Let me figure out what color shirt. So our options are few. What is the song? The labor is, the workers are few. Lord, I am willing to work. What's the beginning part? I'm willing to work. I'm willing to work. We need an anointing.
I need the
Anointing.
I need it down.
The harvest is ripe. The labors are few. To work for you. Yeah. Yeah. The thing is, I don't want to use a good shirt. I want to use a shirt that I'm not going to wear again.
Oh, well.
What size is this? That's a small. I ain't doing no.
That ain't only go on your birthday.
That is not even. Be around my neck. I just put a bunch of shirts in them barrels downstairs.
Yeah.
I clean out everything. I clean out the whole drawer of white shirts, baby onesies. I was like, it gotta go.
Yeah.
Okay, we have come to the conclusion. Okay, we have come to the conclusion that we're going to use this color for the print, and I'm gonna wear a white shirt. I know, white. What am I thinking? But it's just one day out the year. I gotta put a real bra on, so it'll be fine. Yes, sir.
Daddy called you.
I heard him. Thanks.
Let me know what it's called in the comments.
I was finally able to get the vinyl cut out after some technical difficulties. I also had to run downstairs and start on my Thanksgiving contribution, which is coleslaw out of a bag. So got that done. Now I am weeding out this vinyl so I can get it pressed. And then we can go ahead and get ready to leave the house because we are leaving the house in about 20 minutes. Where is the scissors? I don't remember what I said, but don't remember what I'm looking for either. Gosh, where's my scissors? It's always something. It's always something. Found them. I can't really see where the words end and where they start, which is hilarious to me. And of course the heat press is turning off again for like the third time because I have not made it there yet to use it. This definitely could have been bigger. I hate when that happens. Okay, I think I see the letters. I'm just gonna cut and let God lead the way. It's a very, very, very simple design. Literally a quick one too. But I don't know. If you guys can drop a comment below, let me know what is your favorite holiday. Is Thanksgiving your favorite holiday? Christmas, Easter, Halloween? What is your favorite holiday and why? Because honestly, when it comes to holidays, I don't really care for any of them. If I have to work during the holiday, I for sure don't care about it. Like, not even a little bit. Only reason I like holidays is because I have the day off. If I didn't have the day off, I wouldn't even be acknowledging any holidays. Thanksgiving, I think we should be thankful for what we have and what God has given us year round, every day, 24/7. We should be thankful. The only thing about Thanksgiving is the food. Because if you ate the way you did for Thanksgiving every day, we all would be in trouble. But Thanksgiving is the one time of the year, and maybe Christmas, where we all can eat that kind of food and just, not really feel bad about it. I guess I don't care for the food either. Like I think I said in the beginning of this video, our family is Jamaican, so we eat Jamaican food on a regular. We cook Jamaican food for Thanksgiving, so it's not like anything different throughout the year. Christmas, in the beginning, when I was a kid, Christmas really wasn't like hyped up situation. Yes, we had a tree. I may have had presents under the tree, but 9 times out of 10, the presents I had under the tree was presents I picked up myself and my mother would wrap them. It wasn't like a surprise, like I didn't know what I was getting. And so Christmas never really meant nothing crazy for me. Now, when I had kids, I was like, I want to make it different for them from what I had as a child. But then it was like, why? So now my kids just want experiences for Christmas. So we rather go on a trip, near or far, for Christmas. Because I learned that buying them gifts, they play with them for like 2 days, and then that's it. You don't see the toy or whatever no more. And then on top of that, these kids these days, not even kids, everybody in the world these days, with the height of consumerism, I think that's the word, where you can literally get anything you want at your fingertips. Back in the day, for my older folks, back in the day, you had to wait to Christmas or Black Friday. Black Friday was the start. You had to wait until that time of the year to get a new TV. You would wait for that time of the year to get a new fridge and stove and big appliances, big ticket items. You waited. But now, because everything is at your fingertips, it's like nobody waits for Christmas to get things they want. Like you will talk about something all year, and then somebody loves you and will say, well, let me buy that for them for Christmas. Because they've been talking about this all year. Now, you talk about something today, you're going to go buy it tomorrow because you have the power to do so. So I don't see Christmas as what it was back in the day. Now Christmas is literally what it should be. We're remembering Jesus' birthday, celebrate the birth of Jesus and go on a little trip. It's not about the toys. We only go on the trip because we got the day off. Why are we staying at home one day off? No reason. We got the day off. We going out of town. We're not going out of town this year on Christmas, but hopefully the weekend we will be out of here. That is the goal. And yeah, so I may be the only one that think this way, but I don't think Christmas is what it was back in the day because people are literally just buying stuff every day, all day. With TikTok shop and with Amazon 2-day delivery, why gotta wait till Christmas? People not saving up money no more for things at the end of the year. They are buying their stuff when they want it and not waiting. Like my husband, he will talk about something that he wants and he won't even give you a chance to buy it for him because he would just go buy it himself. And I'm like, dude, I could have bought that for you for your birthday or Christmas. But nope. He already purchased it for himself and nobody else got to get it for him. And I hope this thing is not loud in y'all ear. But let's move on to pressing this shirt. Did you just see that? You showed it on the camera? You showed? What in the world? The vinyl melted. Can you see it? Ugh. Anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. This is the shirt. I'm wearing it just as one day. Spoiler alert. I actually didn't end up wearing the shirt. I ended up ripping the shirt in half because it made me so mad. No, I don't have anger issues. I was just really upset that this shirt was not the vision I had in my brain. It didn't look like it in real life. So I ripped it in half. Didn't wear it.
Home shirt.
Yep. Nice and basic. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.